Local news for Thursday, the 12th of March. Wellington Police are pleading with drivers to put away their phones while they're on the road. 541 infringement notices were issued in the Wellington district in February for driving while using a mobile phone. An operation run by road policing team just this week resulted in a further 76 infringement notices being issued. A Farmer Focus Day will take place today at Te Weru, giving farmers the opportunity to learn more about farm safety, technology, productivity and changes to the Trust Act 2019. The hands-on day will feature phaser programmable remote control helicopter drones, ATVs, AG bikes and cyber science. And there's just over a week left to get your nominations in for the Charles Rooking Carter Awards. Several categories are available for nominations, including the likes of volunteers, business and environmental, as well as the Charles Rooking Carter Award itself. And the St Matthews junior girls cricketers have qualified for the national finals after beating 5 teams, including 3 in just one day. The nationals will be held later this year in Christchurch. And a team of 22 Dragon boaters are away this weekend to the Auckland Regional Champs, wishing them all the best of luck. Competing in the 200 metres, 500 metres and 2 kilometres competition is expected to be tough. Good luck, team. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.